Workshop safety rules and regulations. Machines. Safety goggles should be worn when performing machining operations to protect the eyes from flying particles. Loose clothing should be worn in order to prevent being caught by revolving parts of machines. Before operating any machines, time should be taken to make sure that the machines are completely in order. No attempt should be made to remove chips from the machine with hands. No attempt should be made to stop machines with hands even when the power has been switched off. Avoid touching any moving parts of the machine and do not lean on it. Workshop or machines must be cleaned each day after work. Students should comport themselves properly while in the workshop. Thanks for watching. Workshop safety rules and